Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn what to do when an iPhone 15 won't boot past the Apple logo. So, your phone suddenly shuts off and fails to boot up to reach the home screen. Instead, it gets trapped in a cycle of restarting repeatedly, flashing an Apple logo that appears and disappears every few seconds. There are many answers to why your iPhone 15 won't go past the Apple logo. It could be due to system crashes, draining battery, memory shortage, outdated software, etc. This isn't an uncommon issue and there are many ways to sort it out. Here, we'll show you how to fix an iPhone 15 that won't turn on past the Apple logo step by step. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Make sure the buttons are not stuck. The frequently used way to perform a reboot is to press specific buttons on your iPhone 15. However, the device may reboot itself and enter a boot loop if the buttons are sunken. This can be due to a phone case that doesn't fit your iPhone 15 or residue buildup accumulated inside the buttons. To eliminate this cause, remove the phone case if any first. Next, use a Q-tip dipping with some high percentage isopropyl alcohol to clean around the sides of all buttons. After freeing up all accumulated grime or dirt, give the buttons a few clicks to make sure they are back in the correct place. Wait to see if your iPhone 15 goes past the Apple logo and boots up. If not, proceed to attempt the next trick. Step 2. Charge your iPhone 15 then force restart it. Let the phone run out of power, then plug it into a power and charge it for at least an hour. If your iPhone 15 doesn't power on itself, follow these instructions to do a forced restart. Press then immediately release volume up key, then volume down key. Next, long press the power key for a few seconds. The Apple logo disappears, the screen turns black, and then the Apple logo reappears. This time, let go of the power key. Wait to see if your iPhone 15 can get past the Apple logo, then start up normally. Step 3. Connect iPhone 15 to a computer then fix it in recovery mode. If a forced restart doesn't work, try fixing iPhone 15 not booting up past the Apple logo using recovery mode this way. Plug your device into the computer. Run iTunes or Apple Devices app. For a Mac with Mac OS Catalina 10.15 or later, iTunes no longer exists, so open Finder instead. Then, quickly press the volume up key, the volume down key, then hold the power key for a while. Keep holding the power even when the Apple logo appears again. When you see the restore screen showing a laptop and a cable, let go of the power key. These recovery mode steps also work for an iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. On your computer, iTunes, Apple Devices app or Finder will alert you that it has detected a device in recovery mode and gives you two options. The update button is used to install the latest iOS into your iPhone 15 with no data loss. The restore button is used to delete everything on iPhone 15 and restore it back to factory defaults. It's suggested to choose update first to fix the issue when your iPhone 15 can't get past the Apple logo to turn on. If it fails, then put your phone into recovery mode again and try the restore button. Step 4. Take iPhone 15 to Apple Genius Bar for service. If you still can't move past the Apple logo on iPhone 15 to turn it back on, it's appointment time at the Genius Bar or a visit to an authorized Apple service shop for service. The technician there will do a hardware check of your device. If they find any issue, they will immediately repair it. That's all for the trick you can try when an iPhone 15 won't load past the Apple logo to boot up. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.